Romanian space technology company focused on high-tech products for space industry and space market. We like to call ourselves tiny system integrators. We are integrating and developing different payloads for space in a very compact way. We launched at the end of 2024 payloads to the International Space Station, in which we actually transform a big laboratory table in a 4-liter box. We had to build up an experiment proposed by a research institute in Romania of studying coalescence, the way of droplets are colliding in microgravity, and film this at 8,000 frames per second, very high speed. The guys at the institute were doing that on a huge table in the lab with camera. For this we had to integrate it, quite small box. It was indeed really crowded, and for that we had to design specific telecentric lenses for the optics. If you want to launch something in space, you need to first simulate and test for the launch environment. We rely on SOLIDWORKS from the beginning of the project till the end. The most tricky of them was the thermal. We knew the parameters for the convection. Starting from the parameter of the convection, we had to simulate inside and what's the thermal behavior of the system inside our payload. And we iterate by design, simulate, in order to obtain this. The results on the stations was very similar with what we simulate. For instance, to simulate thermally a process which wasn't linear. At the beginning, you turn on the light, you turn on the camera, you turn on the microcontroller. We had to simulate each and every step to see what will be the result at the end, and total temperature rise in the reaction chamber. Being a software platform that contains also simulation and design, it was very helpful because we ran in this iterative process for several times just to understand the behavior of the system.